5 common cryptocurrency scams and how to avoid them. In today's world, your cryptocurrency is an incredibly valuable asset to criminals. It's liquid, highly portable, and, once a transaction has been made, it's almost impossible to revert it. As a result, a wave of scams, both decades-old classics and cryptocurrency-specific swindles, has flooded the digital realm. Watch this video till the end to save your crypto assets from those con artists. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get instant notification of our new videos. Like this video and share it with your friends to warn them about these crypto scams. 1. Social media giveaway scams. It's amazing, nowadays, how everyone seems so generous on the likes of Twitter and Facebook. Check the replies to a tweet with high engagement, and you'll no doubt see that one of your favorite crypto companies or influencers is doing a giveaway. If you send them just one BNB/BTC/ETH, they promise to send you back 10x that amount. It seems too good to be true, doesn't it? Unfortunately, that's because it is. That's a pretty good rule of thumb to apply to many of these scams. 2. Pyramid and Ponzi schemes. Pyramid and Ponzi schemes are slightly different, but we're placing them into the same category because of their similarities. In both cases, the scam relies on a participant bringing new members with the promise of incredible returns. Ponzi schemes. In a Ponzi scheme, you might hear about an investment opportunity with guaranteed profits. This is your first red flag. Commonly, you'll see this scheme disguised as a portfolio management service. In reality, there's no magical formula at work here. The returns received are just other investors' money. Pyramid schemes. In a pyramid scheme, there's a bit more work required by those involved. At the top of the pyramid is the organizer. They'll recruit a certain number of people to work on the level beneath them, and each of those people will recruit their own number of people, etc. As a result, you end up with a massive structure that grows exponentially and ramifies as new levels are created, hence the term pyramid. In the context of blockchain and cryptocurrencies, controversial projects like OneCoin, BitConnect, and Plus Token have come under fire, with users taking legal action against them for allegedly operating pyramid schemes. 3. Fake mobile apps. It's easy to overlook the warning signs on fake apps if you're not careful. Typically, these scams will direct users to download malicious applications, some of which mimic popular ones. Once the user installs a malicious app, everything might seem to work as intended. However, these apps are specifically designed to steal your cryptocurrencies. In the crypto space, there were many cases where users downloaded malicious apps whose developers masqueraded as a major crypto company. 4. Phishing. Even newcomers to the crypto space will undoubtedly be familiar with the practice of phishing. It typically involves the scammer impersonating a person or company to extract personal data from victims. It can take place across many mediums: telephone, email, fake websites, or messaging apps. Messaging app scams are particularly common in the cryptocurrency environment. There's no single playbook that scammers adhere to when trying to get a hold of personal information. You may get emails notifying you of something wrong with your exchange account, which requires you to follow a link to fix the problem. That link will redirect to a fake website, similar to the original one, that will prompt you to log in. This way, the attacker will steal your credentials and possibly your cryptocurrencies. 5. Vested interests. The acronym DYOR, do your own research, is often repeated in the cryptocurrency space, and for very good reason. When it comes to investing, you should never take someone's word for granted on what cryptocurrencies or tokens to purchase. You never know their true motives. They may be paid to promote a particular ICO or have a large investment of their own. This goes for random strangers all the way to popular influencers and personalities. No project is guaranteed to succeed. In fact, many will fail.